Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to your studio day. Today I have received a new update for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, bro. Do you believe this? And what is this? This is a new update. iOS 14.4.2 is available. Yes, this phone is crazy. It's wonderful and so beautiful with this color Pacific blue. I like it. Now, let's launch this thing for the first time. Bro, checking. What can I do now? You can see it's downloaded. Install now, yes or no? What can I do? Install iOS update. What can I do to install this now? This update provides important security update and is recommended for all users. What can I do to update this? iPhone will try to install the update after tonight. Really? Seriously? Okay. So to update, and what can I do? Okay. Now let me turn off this phone. Okay, let me turn off this phone. To do this, you need to select power button and volume down. Okay. I'm a new user of Samsung. Please, I'm new user of Apple or iPhone. You can help me to discover so much feature, so much tricks on my phone. Okay, get ready. Okay, maybe this update will coming in my beautiful okay sweep, my beautiful iOS iTunes. Get ready. Welcome. Maybe okay, okay. Maybe this update. Okay, software will be auto installed. Okay, you can see software update will be auto installed. Auto installed. Seriously, I want to install this right now to show this to my subscribers. What are you doing? What are you doing? Install of this update require. Okay, you need more battery. Jesus Christ. No, this is 40. Oh, 39% now. You need to connect your charger first. Let me do it. Okay, bro. I'm trying to connect my charger first. Look at and what is it good? Yes or no? Okay. Now you can see under install now. You can see install now. What can I do? What can I do? My charger is now connected. Now you can click install now. Okay, let me put my password quick. Wonderful. Okay, you need to accept all conditions. This is my first update, bro. My first update, brother. Verifying updates. Okay. And what after? What can I do now? What? What is this? What is happening here? Okay, the Apple. Look at what I'm look at what is on the screen now. The update process started. Do you believe this? Okay, you need just to wait just a minute. Okay, get ready. Okay, wait, it's good. Wait again a few minutes. Okay, I have a message in front of me. Now my phone is in update. Really? Look at on this screen. You can see your phone has been updated to iOS 14.4.2. Really? Do you believe this? I don't know if it's real. iPhone, I don't know. Now, let me put my password. What? Okay, we are in. Now, let's go on settings to check it. You have general. Now, general, after general, you have about. You can see the update is here. Really? Okay, go back. Sort of missions, software update, checking for update, and now you have the last version. Seriously? iPhone will automatically install updates. This is when you have battery, 50% of battery. If you are not 50% battery, it's not started. You need absolutely to connect your beautiful charger like that. Do you believe this? And now it's good. But what news on this thing? What news? Let me see something quick. I have so much things here. Go back. What are you doing? Cut. Okay, nice. Great. And what? What can I do? Okay, let's open the camera. Okay, go on video. When I am recording. What? Okay, it's changes. Your favorite way is change it. But what can I do to make pause and play? Pause and play, bro. What I can do to make pause on my video? This is something I need. I need this. Samsung, please update this thing to make pause and play because I need this. Okay, thank you for watching. I see you later with another video. God bless you, and I see you later for more videos like that. In GNANGSTUDIO 40. Subscribe today. God bless you. All. What? Let me show something. Look at how is it. It's so good. It's good. It's good. Damn.